our camp experience video.
Yeah, so normally when we go out, we sleep in the car.
Yes. Yes.
Perfect.
So we will show you this evening, if it's not dark yet, how we will climb in our car. See ya.
See you.
Can you hear us or not? I don't know. It might be a bit windy.
It is. And it's pretty cold.
It's not.
I think it is.
I think it's okay. It's awesome. It's beautiful. It's
Bonza.
Bonza. But yeah, we arrived at our campsite.
Yes.
And I wanted to do a hike. Me? Yes, me.
But as you can see, it's pretty cloudy. So I think we will go hiking
Yes.
this afternoon, but we will see what kind of views we'll get. It might just be clouds. So,
Yeah, that's a bit of pity. But I just want to do something like some exercising. Like we sat on the tractor like the whole week.
You maybe.
What did you do?
Working. Physical.
Physical. Okay, so yeah. See you later, alligator. We just started our walk.
Yes, it's very cloudy, so I don't think we will have any views.
No,
But
so
at least give it a try.
yeah, we just give it a try indeed, and we'll see how far we come, because it's no use or point to continue if you can't see anything. There comes the bushman. Yes, you can go.
Animals! Animals!
So we decided to go back. Joey's already running down.
I'm not.
Not? You're miles away, mate.
Yes?
Yes.
You're miles behind.
No, I'm not. It's very dangerous. Look at the rocks. It's crazy. Oh, I need to be careful. Camping life. Beautiful. Looks so good.
Molto bene. Pasta molto bene.
Pasta is always the ultimate camp dish because it's fairly easy to make. And I wanted to discuss why we choose a lot of paid campgrounds in Australia. It's mainly because it's well, they have a shower, and that's
the main reason.
Yeah.
A shower and a toilet.
yeah, definitely, because it can be quite hot in Australia, as many people should know and would know. Yeah, so that then a shower is really recommended. So that's why we mostly sit on paid campgrounds. And yeah.
Usually we do free camping on the spots where nature is just absolutely stunning,
Yeah,
and
true.
that beats having a shower at night. So
Yeah.
those are the spots where we basically do free camping. Sometimes you really need a four-wheel drive to get to these places because you're gonna get stuck or blocked or whatsoever with a two-wheel drive. But yeah, the majority of the time, and I mean we're not poor people, so we can afford a paid campground.
Now we can. In New Zealand we did a lot of free camping, but there I had the feeling you had more free camps as well.
Yeah, and you
Not
could easily
sure.
go to a swimming pool. There were tons of
Yeah,
swimming pools, so you could go to the swimming
Yeah.
pool to have a shower before you went to the
Yeah.
free camp.
And here, I mean, we just hiked, and then a shower is really good to have after your hike, because otherwise you're sweaty, and that's not like really great. So yeah, that's why we choose the paid campgrounds. Our 5-star meal,
Oh, so
like
good.
a Michelin restaurant. With all the
I don't
flies.
know what Michelin you're going, but I don't think you will get this.
It's molto bene.
5-star camping meal.
Yes, and this view, it's a bit cloudy, but look, a mountain. Woohoo! That's nice in nature. Good morning.
Good morning.
We slept in our car.
Yeah, as we usually do.
Yes, and I wanted to show you yesterday how we got into the car, but it was already dark.
It was too dark when we got in. It's already dark here at about, I don't know, 6 or 7.
6:30.
Yeah, so after dinner the mosquitoes came and we wanted to get as quick as possible into the car.
Yeah. So, it's getting morning, or the sun gets up around 6.
Yeah, it's pretty early.
But in the summer, it's even
7 now.
earlier.
It's already light. It's at about 6.
Yeah.
Sun comes up.
So we were awake pretty early, and I'm gonna show you, like, reversed, how we get out of the car. Normally we wanted to show you how we get into the car, but I can't. So we reverse it now.
Yeah.
Let's go out.
Should I film you?
Yeah, you can. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, I'm hungry.
So we have to get out of the side door.
What is the time I just fall out? Oh,
Oh, it's cold outside.
cold. No, it's good.
And then one person is out.
Oh.
And then for me it's easier.
Yes. Alrighty. So I go to the back, open it up. Oh. Ta-da! Usually Joey climbs in. Wait, your
on die flip-flops.
your flip-flops. The Aussie term for it is thongs. Where is it? Don't know. But usually Joey's climbing in first, so he's jumping in like he crawled out just now. Your hair is so fancy.
I'm too fat for the side door.
No, you're not. Oh, there they are. And I'm climbing in from the side door. So yeah, that's about it. So let's have brekkie.
Yay!
So Joey, which car would you like to have for a wedding?
Oh, is that why we are here?
Hello. A new week started for us and we're back.
Yes, back to work.
Yes.
On the farm.
Despite the weather, we had a lovely Easter weekend.
Yes.
We didn't do free camping anymore, but instead we went to our boss and his family near the coast. We could stay there for one night and we went to the beach.
Went fishing.
Yeah.
Caught my first salmon.
Yeah, you did. And we were throwing the fish back, but yeah, the sharks were eating them, so that was a bit sad.
Yes.
Yeah, we had to take this awful route. I will show you now to go to the beach. And yeah, it was a bit windy, bit cloudy, but it was fun.
Yes.
So thank you so much for watching and see you next time.
See you next time.